And welcome back to the Knitting Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. We are going to go on a journey together of doing a knit sampler. What I'm going to be doing is creating a series in order to put the stuff together. Now, I don't know all the stitches, and that's the whole point of the Knitting Crowd, is for me to be able to build onto my skills. In this particular knit sampler, there's going to be 9 different squares or motifs in order to make, and then we're going to be somehow put them together and then go from there. So what I'm going to be demonstrating in this particular series is all 9 of the samples, and I'm just going to go through the repeating of the pattern, but some of the information may be assumed. So for example, how to increase a stitch, how to decrease a stitch, we'll have separate videos for those, and we're going to make our way along the journey. If you don't need my help, if you see the video description or the pinned comment, you can go directly to the pattern in order to be able to download this and to be able to start your own knitting journey on your own. So this series is going to take me a bit of time. I'm a slow knitter, but I am determined, and we're going to work through this particular stitch sampler together, and then you can put it together at the end. So please enjoy, and we're going to get started as soon as possible.